My name is Shahin Tajik. I'm an assistant professor at the EC department of WPI, and my research is on hardware security. This machine that we have here is an emission and laser scanning microscope, which is a failure analysis machine, which can be used for debugging integrated circuits, but also can be used for assessing the security of ICs and chips. Why this is important? Because in the globalized microelectronic supply chain, there are many actors involved. These actors, some of them could be malicious. They can tamper with your design. They can insert some hardware trojans inside your ICs. They can edit some part of your systems, electronic systems. And this machine is actually give us a unique capability to do analysis at the transistor level and find the smallest structures to see if they are edited, if they are modified, if they are tampered or not. And this machine is actually also enables us to engage our students in major qualification projects, to be involved in our cutting-edge research, to get trained on this machine and understand the security vulnerabilities in the very complex world of microelectronics, and hopefully they can contribute to the national security.
My name is Fatemeh Ganji and I'm an assistant professor at the EC department of WPI. The main component of this project, or any project that we are handling at the EC department of WPI, is workforce development. We have a cybersecurity program at WPI, and we hope that by providing students with the information and of course the capabilities that this machine can provide them with, we can have a new generation of cybersecurity engineers and practitioners who could help industry to improve the design of the chips and understand the vulnerabilities that can be seen not only now in the supply chain, but also whatever that could come after that. And the students should be prepared for that. We should be prepared for that. And this is all to help industry to compete in a very fair way in the world.